Good afternoon, Athens and North Georgia. I am student meteorologist Mason Sikes here to bring you your lovely Tuesday afternoon forecast. For our current conditions, we are looking at 92 degrees with a feels of 98 and very low winds to push all that heat away. This is going to be expected to climb within the next few hours, especially at around 4 p.m. where we are expecting to see our highest temperatures of the day. For our high, we are looking at 97, 98 degrees with isolated thunderstorms that are reasonably possible, especially around your late afternoon commute back home from work. So make sure as you guys are going through your day, just to have an eye out on that. For our feel-like temperatures at 4 p.m., we are looking at 98 and 102 down here in downtown Athens and 102 in Dalton. You guys see these cool down temperatures. That is because of heavy cloud cover or because of rain cooling them down. We do not have that privilege, unlikely. So as you guys are moving into the night, we are looking at 72, a considerable drop in temperature compared to our high for today. This is going to show a downward trend of that heat and feels temperature as we move throughout the week, as these storms that we see over here are going to cool us down considerably. For our highs for tomorrow, as you guys can see, that downward trend of 92 to 89. This is considerable. The feels temperature will not be as high as it is today, and this will only continue. As we can see here on the radar, right now we're looking at pop-up thunderstorms here for Athens, with all the storms pretty much migrating north and south of us. But as we move into tomorrow, these storms start to migrate down south from the north. And this could bring some heavier rain, heavier cloud cover. So that will considerably bring down that temperature, bringing it into the low 90s instead of the mid to upper 90s that we are seeing today. While we have this higher temperature, we are looking at considerable conditions inside of cars that can be dangerous to all forms of life. Even at 70 degrees, as we are looking through within the next hour, the interior car temperature jumps to 112. This will continue as we climb up with an hour and 80-degree temperatures being 123. And as we get closer to what our field temperature is of 97, we are looking at temperatures of 130. That's just for 90 degrees. If it's 97 closer to 100, these temperatures will skyrocket inside of a car. So I would say do not leave anyone in your car at all throughout today because you do not want to risk it. For our 7-day forecast, we are looking at a pretty rainy week with 30% for Wednesday, leading up to 70% as we move closer to the weekend. With those precipitation chances expected to taper off as we move past the weekend and closer to next week. We are expecting highs of mid to upper 90s with lows to mid to low 70s. I am student meteorologist Mason Sikes, and go dogs.